welcome to my channel, Happy NJ Vlog. Now I will ask you a question. Did you ever camp near to a beach? No, I think, right? So this is the perfect spot for your camp.
Where it is?
It's in Khorfakkan.
Sandy beach.
Sand.
This is a morning.
It's very nice to camp out here, but no fan, no AC. But in the morning, it's cold. Khorfakkan Beaches is the top tourist destination in Fujairah. Though Khorfakkan has many beaches, night camping is not illegal anywhere. So here comes our suggestion. Sandy Beach. During you visit this Khorfakkan, you can explore many landmarks like Al Rafisa Dam, Heritage Village, Al Rabi Hiking Trail, Khorfakkan Waterfall. Third time, we tried to reach the Heritage Village by evening, but the sunset was too early, so we changed our plan to revisit the same place after camping. We are halfway done in our tent. Oh, it finished really fastly.
Okay. Stop it.
So we kept. Here's our tent is ready. So we need to put some cushions, pillows inside. So yeah, that we have to take from the car. Shit, we have to walk. Yeah. Food time. And it's morning.
Yo, tama. Chalo, teacher. എന്തുവാ വൃത്തിയില്ലേ? No.
We came up in the paradise! Mother, you're gonna fall. Yeah! Isn't it? Josha's favorite dance. See, Amma.
Where is Amma?
Amma, she don't wanna. It was like this. Come on, guys, let's go. It's enough. It's too much sunlight. Too much sunlight. Okay. First person to get out is not me.
I'll get on there first.
What? Then me. No, then me.
Oh, so there is interesting.
It's enough.
I mean, that's why they would
Well,
have given
yeah,
it
I
to
guess
you.
so. But I looked at the.
So you think it's there, done? Look at the speakers and it looks very good.
You can see the behind of this village, cottage village. You can see a wadi. Maybe because of the monsoon season, here we have water. It's nice. It's cool.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell.